National Weather Service in El Paso, Texas has issued a tornado warning for El Paso County until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Seek shelter immediately. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows and cover your head with your hands or a blanket. This is not a drill. Repeat, seek shelter immediately. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not attempt to outrun a tornado in a vehicle. Stay informed by listening to weather radios or trusted news sources and follow instructions from local officials. Continue to monitor weather updates until the warning has expired and it is safe to leave your shelter. Remain alert for changing weather conditions and be prepared for possible flooding or other severe weather impacts. Remember, your safety depends on taking immediate action now. Repeat, take cover now.